Have you ever pondered on the health of our planet? As we go about our daily lives, it's easy to forget that we are living on a dynamic, ever-changing world. A world that is currently showing distressing signs of environmental degradation. Among these signs, one stands out with chilling clarity: the melting ice caps. Stretching out at the poles, these vast expanses of ice serve as Earth's air conditioners, reflecting sunlight and keeping our climate stable. But they are in peril. The ice is thinning, the glaciers are retreating, and the polar regions are losing their snowy brilliance. This is not a distant problem, confined to the far reaches of the globe. It is a clear and present danger that is altering our world and threatening our future. So, we are left with a pressing question that demands our attention. So, what exactly is happening to our ice caps, and why should we care? Our planet's ice caps are melting at an unprecedented rate. This isn't just a catchy phrase to start the conversation, it's a stark reality that we're facing today. Over the last century, the rate at which our ice caps are melting has been accelerating, creating a situation that's as fluid as the water it's producing. So what exactly is happening? Well, it's simple physics, really. The ice caps are massive structures of ice, located at the polar regions of our planet. As the global temperatures rise, this ice begins to melt, transforming into water. Sounds simple enough, right? But the process is a bit more complex and the implications are far-reaching. You see, the rate of this melting process isn't constant. It's been speeding up over the years. In the early 20th century, the rate was relatively slow. But fast forward to the 21st century and things have heated up quite a bit. The melt rate has increased nearly threefold in the last 30 years. And that, my friends, is cause for alarm. Why? Because this isn't just about water levels rising and threatening coastal cities, although that's a significant issue. This is about the balance of our planet's climate. Ice caps play a crucial role in regulating global temperatures. They reflect sunlight back into space, which helps to cool the Earth. But as they melt, less sunlight is reflected, and more is absorbed by the ocean. This creates a feedback loop that accelerates global warming. In other words, the more our ice caps melt, the hotter our planet gets. And the hotter our planet gets, the more our ice caps melt. It's a vicious cycle, one that we're struggling to break. The melting ice caps are a clear and visible sign of global warming. They're a warning that our planet is heating up, and that we need to take action now to slow down this process. It's about understanding the consequences of our actions and making better choices for the sake of our planet. And this, my friends, is not just about ice turning into water. It's about the health of our planet and the future of humanity. The melting ice caps are more than just a symptom of global warming. They are also a catalyst. As these icy giants diminish, they contribute to a self-perpetuating cycle of warming, known as the albedo effect. Essentially, the whiteness of ice reflects sunlight back into space, keeping our planet cool. However, as the ice melts, less sunlight is reflected and more is absorbed by the darker ocean waters, causing further warming and, in turn, more ice melting. But the albedo effect is just the tip of the melting iceberg. The disappearance of our ice caps also contributes to rising sea levels. This is not a problem of the distant future. Some of our world's most populous cities, from New York to Shanghai, are already grappling with the effects of rising tides. And as the waters continue to rise, millions of people are at risk of losing their homes. Moreover, the melting ice caps play a role in extreme weather conditions. With less ice to cool the polar regions, the temperature difference between these areas and the equator decreases. This disrupts normal wind patterns and can lead to more intense storms, heat waves, and cold snaps. The consequences of our melting ice caps are far-reaching and deeply alarming. As we move forward, we must acknowledge these impacts and take swift action if we are to curb this catastrophic cycle of warming. We are all stewards of this planet, and it's time we start acting like it. Today, we've explored the alarming state of our melting ice caps and their profound impact on global warming. This is not a distant problem, but one that demands our immediate attention and action. It's crucial we understand and acknowledge this issue. Remember, each one of us has a role to play in preserving our planet. Please like, subscribe, and comment to join the conversation. Together, we can make a difference.